Today's tutorial is going to show you how to work color changes while working the modified single crochet stitch. This is a popular technique for working graphs, and one important aspect of this is that it's always worked in the round. To work a modified single crochet stitch, you're going to work into the back loop only. So traditionally, you work through the tops of the stitch of the prior row. As you can see, you've got the front loop and then the back loop here. For a modified, you're only going to grab that back loop of the stitch. The other difference is typically you just wrap your yarn by going underneath to pull up a loop. But with a modified, you're actually going to bring your hook over the yarn and then pull that loop up, and then yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. The reason for working over the working yarn is because it's going to pull your stitch to align on top of the stitch below, whereas traditionally single crochets kind of nestle between and are alternating. And so you'll notice a lot of times the stitches kind of angle to one direction. So again, for the modified, you're going to insert in the back loop only, and then you're going to bring your hook over the yarn and then pull up that loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Okay, we're going to work a few more. Insert in the back loop only, hook over your yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the back loop only, hook over yarn, pull up a loop, and then pull a loop through both loops on your hook. Insert in the back loop only, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. One more, insert your hook into the back loop only, hook over your yarn, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull that loop through both loops on your hook. And that is your modified single crochet stitch. To join at the end of the round, I worked my last modified single crochet. I'm going to pull that loop up so I don't lose it, and then I'm going to remove my hook. I'm going to insert my hook from the back of the work and come out to the front of the work in the top of the first modified single crochet of that row. So as you can see, my hook is coming from the back to the front, and I have both loops there. Now take the loop from your working yarn and put it over your hook, and then you can kind of secure that down about tighter and pull that loop through that stitch. Now to begin your next row, just start with the chain 1. And as you can see, the line that's created by working in the back loop just carries cleanly over into the next one. Now that you know how to work the modified single crochet and know how to join at the round, I'm going to show you how to add a color. You're going to add a color just like you traditionally do in the last pull through of the stitch. So we're going to insert our hook again into the back loop only, hook over yarn, and pull up a loop. Now this is going to be the last pull through, so we're going to kind of hold this current color of yarn to the back. We're going to grab our new color of yarn, and we're going to loop that onto our hook and pull through to finish out that stitch. Now our new color of yarn is ready to work for the next stitch. Now we want to bury the beginning ends of the yarn and the old yarn color in that stitch, the next stitch that we're going to work. So just kind of hold those together here. Insert your hook into the back loop only, yarn over or hook over the working yarn, pull up a loop, and then complete the stitch. We're going to work a couple more. Insert into the back loop only, again varying these colors of yarn as you work. Hook over yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Insert into the back loop only, working over those colors of yarn, hook over yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Okay, so now we're going to switch back to our main color of yarn. So you're going to insert your hook into that next stitch in the back loop only, hook over the working color of yarn and pull up a loop. Now the next stitch we want to be back to the main color of yarn. Drop your old working yarn to the back, grab your new yarn color, yarn over, and pull through those 2 loops on your hook. And now your color change has changed again. Okay, I'm going to do a couple more color changes. So insert your hook, make sure your yarn's going to be buried behind those or in those stitches. Hook over yarn, modified single crochet. There's 1, 2, we're doing 4 stitches and then a color change. 3, oh, this is on our 4th one. We're going to stop when there's the last pull through, drop that color to the back, grab the new color, pull through, and then we're going to continue making sure to bury that old color of yarn in those stitches. So always work in the back loop only, and always bury your current color or the old color of yarn with the new stitches. 3, 4. And this is what our color changes are looking like at this point. So you've learned how to work the modified single crochet, how to join your rounds, and how to work the color changes around the rows. I hope this was helpful in working the crochet graphs.